So I'm making a vegan version of KFC, so that's Kentucky Fried Cauliflower, which I'll be serving with some sweet potato fries. To add to the fries, I'll use olive oil, smoked paprika, dried rosemary, corn flour and salt and pepper. I will just put all the potatoes in the bag, like so. And then we just pour in all the ingredients. While the fries are cooking, we'll make the wet coating for our cauliflower. So it's simply a matter of mixing together all the ingredients. So you've got your flaxseed or linseed, which I've ground up slightly, but you don't need to be too fussy about that. We'll pour that in. Then we take the hot sauce, and I'll use a wooden spoon to scoop that in. Then we've got some mustard, the milder the better, so I've used whole grain, but you can use Dijon if you like. Some maple syrup, or if you like, agave honey, and then 70 ml of water. I've got 150 grams of plain flour in this bowl, and I'll be adding a load of spices to it. Right, now's the fun part, the deep frying. We've got some vegetable oil in a pan, and then simply dipping a cauliflower floret in the wet mixture and then the dry mixture, and doing that again.